This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, and I want to take a look at GETA. The thing that caught my eye about this is that 3-day candle pattern. This is what it has the look of a morning star pattern. It's technically not. It doesn't meet the specifications of it, but it has that same look and feel to it. Take a look at the overall chart. One thing to note here is I don't know anything about GETA except for I believe it's a biotech stock. It tried to make a pop back here in December. You can see it didn't hold, came back down. And actually, at this point, if I was looking at it, I'd be hoping it was going to take off right through here. Based on the indicators, it just didn't go. Came back down, actually tried to make another rounded bottom. That didn't go. Technical analysis is not a perfect world. Nothing in the stock market is. If you're in this and you're looking for it in here to try and take off because of this rounded bottom, you better have a support level. Let me go back just a little bit here. That you plan on having an exit point if it doesn't go. And a support level through here would have been somewhere through here for me probably. And that day that it had the big volume and was breaking through that bottom support, if you're playing just technical charts, that's a sell point for you. That'll end up coming back and being a resistance level here as the stock approaches trying to come back up to the bottom side of it. Just wanted to make a quick point there about things. Sometimes they don't work out perfectly. That chart was set up very nice to try and make a move, and sometimes it just doesn't go. Right now, I wanted to point that out because I always look historically how a stock performs, and it made a really nice move that day. Obviously, this was from 0.7 on the bottom all the way up to almost 2 or almost 20 cents. Big move. Right now, we're looking at a second pinch. First one I was just referencing there. This is a looser one, second time around. See the histograms actually looks like it's trying to trend up, which tells you these two lines of the PPO are actually getting a little bit closer. You can see it's trying to curl a little bit. MFIs all down low, all turning together like that. Accumulation distribution, of course, turning on the green days that's put together here. This, even though it was a down candle, the stock actually still closed higher that day than it opened. So there's some buying. We can see that the Chaikin money flow is trending up. CCI again breaking back above negative 100. Full stow coming off the bottom. If the tricks turns, and I say if it turns right in this area, it is trending towards zero if this continues, which is another thing that we look for. Remember, we're looking here to try and catch bottoms. If they don't go, they don't go. You're looking for the setup. Right now, there's a lot of things going on with resistance for this particular chart. It's going to see some right there, which I believe is right around 0.58. It'll see a little bit more right in this area. Old low, and you can see it definitely bounced around for about 5 days, 5 trading days right there, where it had a hard time getting above it or below it. See, it traded in just a small channel there for about a week or so. Go back, we find a historic low there at 0.7. So it's going to see some more resistance there. First and foremost, though, it's going to have to get through the move yesterday, which I believe its high of the day was 0.55. It's going to see resistance a little bit above that. Volume did increase. We're going to look for that to maintain again today. Like I say, this isn't a morning star pattern, which is a pretty good reversal pattern, but this does not really fall into the exact realm. It just has that look and feel of it. So we're going to look for more volume to continue to come in. The parabolic SAR is right there. We're going to look for that to flip. Kind of the same common things, the same themes of charts that we talk about every day. So we're going to look for volume. We're going to look for this resistance level to fall. We're going to be aware that it has some more coming right around 0.7. But we're talking about stocks that are trading at 5 cents. If it makes a move to 7 cents, that's a pretty nice gain of 2 cents. So in this, I would anticipate if it can break through there, that there's the 20-day moving average at 0.7. I would anticipate that it making a run at that. It's actually above 0.7. These numbers are rounded off because I'm scaled out to a longer term chart. So I believe it's actually a little bit above 0.7. But I would anticipate it making a move up into that area if it can get the volume and break through this resistance level. Again, we're taking a look at a chart, trying to catch a bottom and look for some gains off of it. So that's what I'd be looking for first thing on a Wednesday morning. Overall, the chart looks pretty nice. Sandy with QualityStocks.net taking a look at GETA.